stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. Recently scientists found out that Mom counted to 0 10 seconds ago and is causing mass destruction. The Mom's name is unknown at this point. And the destruction has caused a 500-meter mega tsunami in Hawaii. A magnitude 10.5 earthquake in Oregon caused the Yellowstone supervolcano to erupt in Wyoming. Made an F8 tornado in Kingfisher, Oklahoma. Made a flood in Tacoma, Washington. Made a Category 9 hurricane in Louisiana. And etc. There will be no time to gather food, water, clothing, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, and extra batteries, although there will be time to gather personal belongings, ID, and money and evacuate immediately. Do not delay evacuation, evacuate now. Scientists also predict that the world will explode within 1 minute and 25 seconds, ending all life as we know it. We will now play the national anthem for the final time.